someone who has a personal touch, who has a strong style, development of style. I think that this is very important to see really that we can recognize his works.
Besides the categories where we have to look into and what they've done in there, we have to really judge as well. And that's what I do believe in, what they do beyond that. So what is their unique style? What is their unique language? How do they cope with an harmony of shapes and styles?
I think when we talk about like a designer, right, being designer of the year, is that they need to have a level of consistency. You need a fingerprint in a designer because, again, they have to be bold. They have to be able to take a brief and say, look, I'm going to inject my identity into it.
Elena, what she does is quite outstanding because she also has a certain type of courage to do other things, a courage to combine colors, which we wouldn't maybe combine, to combine shapes, which we wouldn't maybe combine. I really think that she has that. She tries out new things, and in the way she's approaching her briefings is quite interesting. She has done a project in Milan for Vitra, and it was about urban living. And you can say maybe she hasn't touched on that particular subject in all details. She kind of stepped out of it even, and she looked into completely new color combinations. She looked into many different things than that particular brief she has been given. And I think that's outstanding for a designer.
I think, as you can see also, it has a style which is mostly accepted in the 60s and 70s, but she does it in such a way that today it's very acceptable. It's very difficult to do that. You don't know if it's too much colors, too much here, too much that, but at the end, everything looks perfect. It looks in harmony.
Elena, she gives me so much joy, and it is so unique, her stuff. I think, the hotel, it is insane, to come up with something so creative and beautiful. And I love it how she's worked with such diverse clients as well. And the Ikea concept is outstanding.